Welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy Cuban black beans. Now, what I have here are a can of black beans, and I know it's sacrilegious to use canned beans in Cuban cooking, but many of us don't have time to make beans from scratch. So let me show you the rest of the ingredients that you're going to need. Hoy les voy a mostrar cómo hacer frijoles negros en lata. Yo sé, cógelo suave. Es un sacrilegio en cocina cubana, pero en una emergencia lo uso. Para el resto de los ingredientes necesitamos son aceite de oliva, una cebollita, pedacito de pimiento verde, cucharadita de azúcar, pizquita de sal. Para el ajo, cucharadita de vinagre, manojo de cilantro, una hojita de laurel, comino, orégano, sazón completa, sal y pimienta al gusto y un sobrecito de jamón. I'm also using ham flavoring, and I'm just showing you guys how to do things if you don't have time to actually do everything from scratch. Now what I'm about to do is make a sofrito, and sofrito is a basis to all Cuban cooking. So there's three things that comprise of a sofrito. That is onions, peppers, and garlic, and everything else you can add to spice it up. Ahora mismo estoy armando el sofrito, y sofrito es la base para la cocina cubana y toda americana latina. El siguiente paso es machacar el ajo para liberar el aceite y mejorar el sabor de ajo. So I'm just trying to keep it a little traditional, so I'm mashing my garlic. Now, I have a mortero here, just in case you're not familiar with a mortero or a pilon in Spanish. In English, it's a mortar and pestle. And I'm just adding some salt so that it can help the grinding process when I'm making my paste. Voy a poner un poquito de sal para ayudar el proceso de machacar el ajo para hacer una pasta. So now I'm adding in my garlic paste. Me gusta añadir mi ajo al final porque se queme rápido. Y ahora voy a poner el resto de los ingredientes. So now I'm going to add in my cilantro. Next, I'm adding in my dry seasoning. Cuando pongas condimentos secos, ten cuidado porque llevan sal. So now you want to mix everything together so that everything can blend together. Ahora quiere mezclar todo para que todos los sabores puedan mezclarse juntos. Once your vegetables are soft, then you can add in a can of black beans with the broth. The smell of sofrito always makes my mouth water. Ahora voy a añadir 8 onzas de frijoles negros. In addition to that, I like to add a little bit of water to my can and stir it up a little bit just so I can get all of the residual from the bottom of the beans from the can, and then I add that back into my broth. Me gusta añadir la misma cantidad de agua a mis frijoles. Then I like to add my ham flavoring, and like I said before, this is just a way to show you guys how to make quick Cuban black beans when you don't have time to really make everything from scratch. Si no tiene acceso a jamón, puede usar esto. Le da a tus frijoles un sabor de jamón. Siguiente, añade un chorrito de vinagre. Next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and I really like to use apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar is much sweeter, but I didn't have any tonight, so like I said, I'm showing you guys how to improvise. In addition to that, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of sugar, and if you have brown sugar is much sweeter, so it will give your beans a much sweeter taste. Y añade un poquito de azúcar, una cucharadita. So now I'm just going to take out a little broth to put in my back into the mortero because I have some garlic left and I don't want to leave any of this goodness inside of my mortero because every little bit counts. So I'm just going to scrape out the rest of the garlic. Now, many of you know I love garlic in everything that I make. If I could put garlic in my cereal, I would. But anyway, garlic really brings out the flavors of your Cuban black beans, so it's important. Me gustan mis frijoles cremosos, así que voy a machacar un poquito para hacer una pasta. And what I like to do is take some beans out, put it in a bowl or a cup, mash it up, and make a paste, and then put it back into the bean broth. And that makes your beans a lot thicker. So if you have like beans that are coming from the can, or even if you're making them and from scratch, and you have broth that is really thin and you want it thicker, just make a bean paste. Si te gusta ver mi video cómo hacer frijoles negros traditional, la manera traditional, voy a dejar un link abajo. But if you're interested in learning how to make Cuban black beans from scratch, the old-fashioned way, I have a video on how to make that, and I will leave a link below this video, and you can click on it. Esta recetica estará lista en 15 minutos, no más. So now we're just cooking it for a little bit longer so that our broth can get thicker. And once your broth gets thicker, then you can serve your beans. This whole process should take about 15 minutes, no more than that. Pruébalo si quiere, necesitas sal. So now you just want to taste it to see if you need any salt. Cuando tus frijoles son cremosos, entonces está listo. So it's been 15 minutes, and this is the consistency that I like. Nice, thick, creamy black beans. So now I'm going to serve my dinner. And I'm having black beans with white rice, some grilled chicken, and maduros, which are sweet plantains, and some tomatoes. Aquí tienen mi cenita. Frijoles negros, pollo a la plancha, arroz, maduro, y tomate. Well, guys, that's all for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and my Facebook group, Lalita's Cuban Kitchen. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Mis amores, es hora para yo verme. Gracias por verme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like. Suscríbete a mi canal. Sígueme en Facebook y mi grupo, Lalita's Cuban Kitchen. Gracias por verme. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye.